So going to this SWAT event made me figure out who I was as a person.
Yeah.
I get emotional about this because these people over here know me and my employees at my office, we do great. But at the other office, I have some tension on other employees. And it hurt my relationship with them. So being able to go to this SWAT event changed me. And I'm telling you, it'll change your life forever. It'll make you realize what type of person you are and what type of person maybe your employees are, your employers, your business partners, okay? It'll make you realize who you need to be as a person. You'll understand it's going to change everything about your business. And September is right before every single one of our Medicare, biggest part of our lives. If you're in Medicare, September is when it all begins. It's in September, okay? Nate's not paying me to be up here. I didn't know I was going to be up here until 1 minute ago. But I promise you, they know how much it changed my life when I came back. Brian, I'll tell you, I'm a total different person.